Hello, today my video is about online business ideas for beginners. If you're a newbie, if you are a beginner, and if you do not have much idea on what to do online, what to do to start your own online business, then watch this video, because in this video I'm going to share few of the very common ways through which you can make money online, start your own online business without having much of an experience. So this online business ideas for beginners. Let me start with you with SEO, Google Ads, and Facebook Ads consulting. I will show you some examples as well, and it's perfectly very easy method to start your online journey here. So you can see all you have to do is just move on to Upwork and just move on to Fiverr, and let me show you some of the very common ways. Just move let me move to switch to buying, and just let me search on Google Ads. And I'm going to find bundle of people. You can see search gigs. Okay. And you can see people are earning. You can see 27 reviews selling for $25, $160, 118 reviews, 170 reviews for. And not everyone posts a review. Out of 5 to 10 customers, only 1, 2, 3, 4 customers post a review. So then the market is huge, very huge, with ample of opportunity for anyone who wants to get orders for Google Ads campaign setup. Perfectly very good place. And let me even share you for here, and just search for freelancers and agencies. I was very surprised to know great freelancers. I just searched for Google Ads. You can see $75 per hour, 10K earned, 100% job success, 10K earned, $70 per hour, 300K earned, and 100K, 100K. So the market is very big, and even if you search for SEO, you will again find a lot of work. And even if you search for Facebook ads, the market is 800K plus on, 200K plus on, 30K, 5K, 7K, 100K, 10K, 100K. So yes, very good and very big market. Just search for Facebook ads. 100K. Let's start with 100K, $25, and 10K, 100K, 10K, 200K. Even I just have to select an advanced search, and I can even see better performers, because the search algorithm not only shows you on the basis of amount of earning, but on various other factors. So I just have to select my preferences, and I can get a lot of people who can merge and find out who are earning a lot of money. You can see here people are earning a lot of money. They are level 2 seller. I think he's from India. Yes, he's from India. 775 reviews for audit and optimize Google Ads campaign. 76 reviews for $40. So market is huge and big. So definitely there is a lot of place through which you can earn money through it. So the number one business idea, why I'm saying it's for beginners, because there are many tutorials available online, and it's very easy to learn SEO, very easy to learn Google Ads, very easy to learn Facebook Ads, and that is how you can start your own online business idea. The second idea is to teach online, and let me share you a story of a person whose name is Abdul Wali, who made $100,000 from Udemy just by teaching online. You can say teach online or sell your own course, or sell course online, and ever since that he has been earning money through teaching online. Let me show you his even channel as well. And one of the great thing about Abdul Wali is he's from a third world country. He's from Pakistan, and he has never been to a school, and yet he taught 275,000 students in English, which is not his own native language. So imagine if you can speak good English, how big your market is. He got 275,719 students with 7,564 reviews. So he's working from 2010. You can see his courses, different courses, and this $100,000 is story of 2015. Now it's 2022. Imagine how much he has earned from Udemy, and Udemy is just one of the single not source from which he is dependent. He is also earning from YouTube because I know him personally. He also has a YouTube channel for traveling where he plans to travel around the world and shares his own experience and ideas on his share his own experiences and ideas whenever he travels to different places. And he also earns from YouTube. He also earns from visa immigration because he's been into traveling industry as well. So that is another income stream through which he's earning. So he's earning from multiple income streams, and teaching online is one of his very good way to earn money online, and he has been ever doing from 2010. So yes, you can do that as well. And then another is start your own blog and post articles and make money through it. I even have my own blog. You can see my blog with the name of ALIRAZA. And you can see my own blog where I post different articles, and I earn money through ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, affiliate commissions, business. I get more orders for my different services which I sell. I even have one of my article. I have few articles explaining on the benefits of Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and few services, and through which I get clients as well. So I have multiple income streams through my own blog as well. So blogging can be also a good idea, but blogging requires patience and consistency, because you are not going to be an online millionaire the next day. Another business idea is to start your own YouTube channel. Personally, I like Gravy. Gravy Vaynerchuk has posted 1,000 videos on YouTube, and it changed the course of his family business. And Casey Neistat has been filming since 2001, but he actually caught attention in 2015. So like after 15 years, people started noticing him, and ever since then he has become a YouTube sensation. And I was watching one of the video of Ali Abdallah, where he told like he earned from $10,000 to $1 lakh for each video he posts online. So Casey Neistat is actually a YouTube sensation, but it took him around 15 years to get noticed, to get people attention. So consistency and patience is again the key here. But I know that many people are looking for a quick ride, so you can offer social media management. Another online business is through social media management, and it doesn't require much skills. You can have a Canva knowledge, you can have a social media knowledge, and just start your own services. And you can just look out on competitors and start providing free services, and in a month or two you will get a handful amount of knowledge through which you can charge. Again, Fiverr, Upwork, even Facebook groups, you can get good business through that as well. You can also become a graphic designer and on my thread. Let me show you my own Canva, and through which I started creating my own posts and created my thumbnails. Then you can see my thumbnails. It's not difficult at all. I create my own thumbnails here. You can see the thumbnail I created. It's for ads disapproved, and you can see if you are able to create good thumbnails, good images, you can also be a graphic designer, and you can also make money. Canva has actually been a very helpful to graphic designers. Previously people used to do Adobe Illustrator, but with Canva things are much easier. You can be a graphic designer. You can create banners, images, brochures, menu. There are many templates available with Canva. It can be very helpful. Another online business idea is to become an influencer. You can be an influencer on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and make money through it. Many people doing it, and they are earning money through it. So all you have to do is you just need to be creative with it, and make money through by creating sponsoring videos, doing paid sponsorships, promoting, sharing other people's statuses, doing product reviews. There are many different ways through which you can earn money just by becoming an influencer. Another is if you do not have much knowledge and you just want to help out and you just want to quickly start. So the another online business idea is to be a virtual assistant, and you can help with administrative tasks and managing emails, scheduling appointments, handling data entry. Not difficult, anyone can do it. If you are a beginner, this business idea is for you, and you can gain experience. Although the income is slightly lower in this, but it's a good way to earn money. Income is slightly lower, but again the earning is good with it. You can also be a freelance writer. Being a blogger myself, when I started writing was actually a very difficult task, but when I was consistent, I kept on writing, and that is how I started improving. In writing, and that is how I was able to write long articles. Previously, writing long articles was a very difficult task for me, but when I kept on doing it, I realized it's not difficult at all. You can be an article writer, you can be a technical writer, sales page writer, speech writer, resume writer, or even a press release writer. Press release writer means you need to have an experience on doing press releasing writing. So if you are a beginner, I do not recommend doing press release writer, but you can be an article writer, sales page writer, speech writer, or resume writer, or even if you can do assignment work for other people and make money through it. You can also be a web developer and make money through it. I know a friend of mine who actually, let me show you his Fiverr channel, and he earned millions of money through Fiverr. I think his channel is no longer, let me see, because he was very famous in my country. So I think, yeah, here you go. Finally got his channel. So you can see even his WordPress errors, issues and bugs, $5 has 1,000 reviews. He's also a very top rated seller. Even a service for $5, and that is how he used to convert to other services, and that is how he convinced them to buy the services just by doing a small fix WordPress errors and recommending him to opt for bigger services, and that is how he got big clients. So web development is also a very good way through which you can earn money. So this is another great idea to make a great online business idea, especially if you are a newbie, if you are a beginner. I just discussed few of the ideas which I think could be helpful for you. If you have any questions, comments or suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you and bye bye.